Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with stockmarketmentor.com and your chart of the day. I want to talk about biotech. Biotech finally broke out of this long base of consolidation. You may remember, like the last month or so, I've been talking about this chart as it's been grinding sideways along these moving averages. And so today we finally got a nice breakout here coming on higher than average volume. And so I definitely want you to keep your eyes on the biotech sector. Now, this chart is probably a little bit too extended for a clean entry, but I think you could watch for an eventual back test of this move back to either the 8-day or that 21-day exponential period moving average. Let those moving averages catch up to price so you're not buying too high and then getting shaken out of what could be a nice longer-term trend out of this long base breakout. So I hope that video is helpful. Hey, give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. And you should definitely check out what we're up to over at stockmarketmentor.com. Click the link, take a trial, and I hope to see you on the other side.